Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter percents, and the lessons we're going to cover are percents of numbers and money amounts. Find what percent one number is of another word problems. Find the total given a part and a percent. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is percents of numbers and money amounts. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so we're already working on the chapter. We're going to start with the lesson percents of numbers and money amount. We already know how to calculate the percent of a number, right? So let's just start with the test questions. What is 10% of 10? So how do you calculate 10% of 10? 10% of 10, right? You have to do 10 times 10% is 10 over 100, right? So just do calculations. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 over 100 is 1. That means 10% of 10 is 1, right? 10% of 10 is 1. What 75% of $4 equal? So you need to calculate 75% of 4. 75% of 4. You have to calculate 75%. So 75 over 100 times 4, right? That equals 3. You can do calculations, right? $75 of 4 is 3. 80% of 30 is, which is the correct option? 80% of 30. You have to do 80 over 100 times 30. 8 times 3 is 24. That is 2400 over 100. So you are left with 24. That means 80% of 30 is 24, right? Okay, the next one is, what is 25% of 36? Which is the correct option, which is 25% of 36? Which option is the correct one? You can use your notebook and pencil to do the calculations. 25% means you need to divide the value. it into 4 equal parts, right? So 36 divided by 4 is 9. That means 25% of 36 is 9. Got it? That is 9. The correct option is 9. 30% of 90 is which is the correct option? 30% of 90 is 27. The correct option is 27. Complete the following statement. 50% of 50 is 50% means the half, right? So half of 50 is 25. So the correct option is 25, right? 75% of 28 is the correct option is 21 is the correct option, right? 75% of 28 is 21. 80% of 10 is eighty percent of 10 is 8. 80% of 10 is 8. The correct option is 100% of 22, which is the correct option. 100% means the complete thing, right? So 100% of 22 is 22. The correct option is 22, right? Twenty percent of 20 is 2. No, 20% of 20 is 4. The correct option is 4. Just do calculations. 20 over 100 times 20. That will be 400, and 400 over 100 is 4. The correct option is 4. Isn't it? Or either I can do it on board. Okay, let me just do it on board. 20% of 20. So 20 over 100 times 20. 2 times 2 is 4. That is 400 over 100. That equals 4. Right? So that is 4. Okay, 30% of 20 is Yes, it is 6. Very good. 10% of 40 is 4. The correct option is 4. 100% of 10 is, yes, 100% of 10 is 10. The correct option is 10. Very good. Okay, 90% of 30 is, ninety percent of 30 is 27. It is right. The correct option is 27. 25% of 4 is, which is the correct option? That would be 1. Yes, very good. 25% of 4 is 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is find what percent one number is of another. Word problems. Okay, we have already done this lesson, right? Today we're going to do the word problems. So let's just start with the test questions. We are done the lesson find what percent one number is of another in the last session, right? Today that is just the word problems of the same lesson. Okay. The lunch choices last Friday were mushrooms and pepperoni pizza. The cafeteria made 56 pizzas in all, 28 of which were mushroom pizzas. What percentage of the pizzas were mushroom pizzas? Which is the correct option? You are given the whole, right? The total pizzas they make 56. And the part, half of them were, like 28 of them were mushrooms. You need to calculate what percent of the pizzas they made were mushrooms. So you can see, just think logically. 28 is exactly half of 56, isn't it? That means 50% of the pizzas were mushroom. You can do calculations also. How you do calculations? Whole is 56. Part is 28. Just make proportion. Part over whole equals n over 100. That is 56 over 28 equals n over 100. Just do cross multiplication, do calculations, right? The correct option is 50. Got it? At a water park, 72 out of 96 tickets were sold, were child tickets. What percentage of the tickets were child? Okay, 72 out of 96. 72 out of 96. So this is whole and this is the part. You need to calculate what percent, right? So part divided by whole equals n over 100. Part is 72 over 96. N over 100. Just do cross multiplication. N equals 72 times 100 over 96. Let me just divide and multiply and divide. 7200 divided by 96 is 75. That means 75%. 72 out of 96 means that is 75% of the tickets are child tickets. That is 75%. Got it? So the correct option is 75%. Okay, at a school carnival, 35 out of 35 tickets sold were early admission tickets. What percentage of the tickets were early admission tickets? Which is the correct option? Seven, 35 out of 35. That means all the tickets are early admission tickets. So that would be 100% tickets, right? The correct option is 100%. This tea shop has caffeinated tea and decaffeinated tea. The tea shop served 44 teas in all, 11 of which were caffeinated. What percentage of the teas were caffeinated? So which is the correct option? How you do calculations? 44 out of 11, right? 44 is the whole and 11 is the part. Just do 11 over 44 times n over 100. So n equals 11 times 100 over 44. Sorry. Yes, it is. So 1100 divided by 44 is 25%. That means 25% of the tea sold is caffeinated, right? The correct option is 25%. The city school, the city council voted a new tax. 43 council members voted in the favor of the tax. The council has 86 members. What percentage of the council members voted in favor of the tax? Which is the correct option? Forty-three is exactly half of 86, isn't it? That means 50% of the council members voted in the favor of tax, right? Okay, Bowen had both chocolate cake and coconut cake at her birthday party. There were 27 people at the party and 27 of them picked chocolate cake. What percentage of the people at the birthday party picked chocolate cake? Okay, do the calculations on the question on your notebook. write the answer in the chat box. I'll be back in a while, just 1 minute. Okay, so which is the correct option? That would be 100%. There are 52 students in Anthony's grade. 39 of the students are enrolled in health. What percentage of the students are enrolled in health? Which is the correct option? Okay, so the total students are 52, right? 39 is the whole is 52 and part is 39. You need to calculate what percent, right? Just form a proportion. that would be part over whole equals n over 100. Part is 39. 39 over 52 equals n over 100. So just do cross multiplication. N equals 39 times 100 over 52, right? Let me just do calculations. 3900 divided by 52. That is 75%. That means 75% of the students are enrolled in health. The correct option is 75%. Got it? Okay. Travis brought chocolate and vanilla cupcake to school for his birthday party. 40 students decided to take the cupcake and 10 of them picked vanilla. What percentage of the students picked a vanilla cupcake? Which is the correct option? Total students are 40, right? And 10 of them picked vanilla cupcake. That means, which is the correct option? 25% of them, sorry, yes, 25% of them picked vanilla cupcake, right? The correct option is 25%. Leah has a new beaded necklace. 47 out of 94 beads on the necklace are blue. What percentage of beads in the Leah's necklace are blue? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 47 is exactly half of 94, isn't it? That means 50% of the beads are blue. Got it? The correct option is 50% of the beads are blue. Damon's Diner sold 48 milkshakes last week. 36 of the milkshakes had whipped cream on top. What percentage of the milkshake had whipped cream? Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 75%, right? The correct option is 75%. That means 75% of the milkshakes has whipped cream, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is the last lesson from the chapter, I think. Yes, that is find the total given a part and a percent. So you're given a part and a percent, right? You have to calculate the whole. Okay, let's just start with the first one. 50% of dash equals 4. Which is the correct option? 50% means half. So 4 is half of what number? The correct option is 8, right? 50% of 8 is 4. The correct option is 50% of 8 is 4. The correct option is 4. 100% of dash is 35. Which is the correct option? 100% of what number is 35? 100% of 35. 100% of what number is 35? 100% of 35 is 35, right? Very good. 16 is 50% of what number? Which is the correct option? 16 is 50% of? Yes, 16 is 50% of 32. The correct option is 32. 50% means half. So 16 is half of what number? Yes, it is 32. 16% is 50% of 16 is 32. The correct option is 32. Fifty percent of dash is 15. Which is the correct option? 50% of dash is 15. 50% means half. 15 is half of what number? Yes. 50% of 30 is 15, right? The correct option is 30. You can even form proportion and solve the question, right? Like we are already doing. 16 is 100% of what number? Which is the correct option? 'Which is the correct option? 16 is 100% of 60, right? 100% means the complete number. So 16 is 100% of 16. 46 is 50% of what number? which is the correct option? 46 is 50% means half. 46 is half of what number? 23, right? 46 is 50% of. No, hold on. 46 is 50% of what? Like you have to see 46 is half of what number, right? So which is the correct option? 46 is half of 92. The correct option is 92. 46 is half of 92. Or you can form the proportion. 46 is part. You have to calculate whole. That would be part over whole equals n over 100. Part is 46 over whole, n is 50 over 100. So just cross multiply, it would be 46 times 100 and w times 50. Move 50 other side, so it would be 4600 divided by 50 is 4600 divided by 50 is 92. So it is the half of 92. Got it? The correct option is 92. Okay. 100% of dash is 42, which is the correct option? 100% of 42 is 42, right? 50% of dash is 19, which is the correct option? 50% of 38 is 19. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 6 math. Chapter we're working on is percents. And the lessons we have covered today are percents of numbers and money amount. Find what number, find what percent one number is of another word problems, and find the total given a part and a person. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. Bye everyone.